Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are doing some Boxycharm Boxy Popup updates, items we're going to see, as well as the day, the time, as well as choice, and another potential future spoiler, which I'm pretty excited about. Will you see this shirt in a couple other videos? Absolutely. Why? Because she's cozy, and who doesn't love to be cozy? Glitzy Girl Boutique. It will be listed and linked down below for you guys. And if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Ron, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chat, we have a good old time, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay guys, so big news as far as choice goes. On November 9th, that's when it's going to open up for you to make your choices for your future boxes. You guys really enjoyed being able to make your choices on the same date. So my understanding is Boxycharm is going to go ahead and do that again. And of course, Boxy Popup opens the same day, so you'll make your choices for everything. And then you go ahead and you start your shopping. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And check our community section, our community tab section. As soon as choice goes live, which it does say it will be going live at 12 p.m. I always try and let you guys know over there in the community section. It is saying it's going to be 12 p.m. Eastern time, so mark your calendars for November 9th at 12 p.m. So like I said, that's when choice opens up, and that is when Boxy Popup is opening up, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So I want to talk about some of the things that we are seeing as sneak peeks for Boxy Popup, guys. Now, a little information about Boxy Popup. This is where you can get up to 80% off of items. All kinds of different items. Now, a lot of people asking, what's the difference between add-ons and Boxy Popup? The largest, biggest noticeable difference, I would say, is the amount of items you get to shop. And oh my gosh, the one thing that my bank account doesn't enjoy but I absolutely love is just because you see day one a list, like a huge list of items, day two there'll be more items, and day three there's more items, and they restock things, and then they add things, and then it's like, yes, I do a ton of my Christmas shopping. Our last Boxy Pop-Up was in August, and then I do add-ons, and it's so much fun. I mean, my bank account doesn't think so, but anyways, the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is by Kevyn Aucoin. You're gonna get 48% off of this palette. I actually own this palette, and I love this palette. This is the Emphasize Eyeshadow Design Palette. Look at how cute these are. So they're large, but then when you open it up, you've got a selection of your eyeshadows, and then there's also like a liquid type of eyeshadow as well. And I really like the Kevyn Aucoin liquid eyeshadows because they don't get that crunchiness to them or anything like that. They're really comfortable, and they play nicely with the other eyeshadows. So this is going to be available for $24. It does have a retail value of $46, and like I said, I really like the Kevyn Aucoin eyeshadows, which you guys know, eyeshadows are my jam. Like, I love me eyeshadows. Next, we're gonna see some Lila B Divine Duo Lip and Cheek Blushers. These are typically $46, guys. They're gonna be available in Boxy Popup, 74% off, 12 bucks. I love cream blushers. So let me know if you guys have tried this. Do you like this? Because I've heard a lot of really good things about Lila B, but I've never tried it out because it is a bit on the pricey side. But if you guys have tried this brand out, let your girl know down below. We're also going to see Lime Crime Wet Cherry Lip Gloss. I feel like a lot of people love this stuff. This is going to be on sale for $9. Then, of course, we're going to have more and more makeup. Like, that's just like sprinkling in and giving us a little tease. There's going to be a ton. Let's move over to some skincare items that we will be seeing. Glow Recipe is back. We love her. We love Glow Recipe. And this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. I've not tried this, but I love the scent of bananas. Specifically that like Laffy Taffy scent. I hope it smells like that. It probably doesn't, but whatever. Anyways, this is going to be available for $24. This is always a good time to stock up on some of your favorite skincare items. Next, we're seeing Elemis, which of course is a very, very good skincare line. And this is the Elemis Peptide 4 Adaptive Day Cream. Now, I personally never tried either one of these items, but this is going from $62 to $18. I do know Elemis does, and Glow Recipe does tend to go fast, but like I said, don't worry, because a lot of the times it might show sold out, but literally within a few days you start to notice things come back or other items come in, and it is just like the best flippin' day ever. Like, for example, it's sitting over there, the Born to Run concealers. I saw those go out, and then they brought more back, and I think it had something to do with like their warehouses are in different sections of like the United States or something like that. So once they get like the numbers, the inventory, whatever, then they can release more. But anywho, I digress. I don't really know. The next one is Tony Moly Vita 12 Jelly Cleanser. This is gonna be $6. Now, I don't know much about the Tony Moly cleanser. I know I like their sheet masks, but that's really all I know about them. We're gonna go ahead and move over to some hair, body, and tools. Again, like I said, when it comes to Boxy Pop-Up, you see a variety of a bunch of different things, including lifestyle products as well in Boxy Pop-Up. So talking about some hair, body, and tools, we're seeing the IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. I don't know anything about this. Let me know down below if you guys do, but this does have a retail value of $29. It's going to be available for us for $6. Okay, so this next item that I'm super excited about, I love these. I probably have one for the rest of the year, but I love these. These are great gifts. If you are looking for affordable stocking stuffers, Spongel multi-use boxed flour is what is showing 75% off. I know some people get really ticked when they see these in their boxes, but you guys, these things are amazing, like absolutely amazing. They smell delicious, and we're gonna story time right quick. A lot of you guys had asked me when I would show you guys in my trash, my empties, what have you, I would show you like a Spongel, and one of you guys had said, well, doesn't that mold? Like, how does that last you like 30 days? Like, it suds up, it has built-in soap, so you don't have to get a shower gel or anything like that. And I said, I don't know, but it doesn't. It never molds on me. And then you guys had said there's actually like an antimicrobial type of something in the sponge to help that. Well then, long story long, because you know that's how your girl is, you guys had said that you had one, you forgot about it, and it got pushed back or something behind things in the shower for a while. And you actually told me, I think it was in our comment section, she said, y'all, there wasn't a drop of mold in that thing. There was like nothing, and I hadn't used it, and it had been sitting there. So yes, this product is amazing. It will not mold on you, and I'm telling you, it's so handy. Because I don't know about you guys, I've literally been taking a shower, and I like go and forget that my body wash is just about out, and I forgot to restock it, you know, and then I go to put some on my sponge, and psh, it's gone. And I'm like, ugh. With Spongel, you don't have to worry about it. It's built in, so you don't have to worry about a separate bottle or anything. That was a really long explanation, but these are gonna be $4. $4. So like I said, great gifts, great stocking stuffers. I love these things. They also have them in men scents as well, so you can get them for your man. Anywho, the next item is by Elemis. It's another Elemis product. This is the Tea Tree SOS spray. Now this I actually don't know much about, but it's regularly 40 bucks, and it's going to be on sale for $12. Moving over to the lifestyle items that are being a little sneaky peeky for us, and this is by BKR. This is a 500 ml bottle plus Paris Water Balm Mini. This is typically a $48 set, and it's going to be available for 18 bucks. So again, think about the holidays and gifts and stocking stuffers, all of that stuff. It's going to be available. So as far as the lifestyle goes, you're going to see things like water bottles, hair tools, all kinds of different stuff. So definitely make sure to check it out. And like I said, make it a multi-day thing. I mean, your bank account and your wife or your husband might not like that, but I'm telling you guys, like, they're really good about stocking the products. It's pretty amazing. Okay, so let's talk about a potential future spoiler. I'm gonna play the video for you guys that I just found over on Instagram. By the time you guys see this video, it'll be a few days now, and there could be new spoilers. I do try and pre-film as much as possible, especially when I'm having really good thyroid days, which today is a good day, so I'm busting out as many videos as I can, because then I take the days that I'm like feeling like poo, and then I just sit and edit. So anyways, let me go ahead and play you the video of Joe and a potential future spoiler.
Over here. Alright guys, I met a person that apparently is a very special person. I want to introduce you to...
So I had the pleasure of meeting the creator, founder, Boxycharm extraordinaire. Joe is such a wealth of knowledge.
I met him and he made me a better person, okay? This is Reza, if you guys didn't recognize.
If we get into Boxycharm, if Joe blesses me with that opportunity, I'll be so grateful, because it'll put Reza Be Obsessed in a lot of people's hands. And so, blessings upon blessings that I met this man.
To recognize you. I know what...
And I lost some weight.
Oh
and
yeah.
We just had the best
See?
meeting. And
Boom.
You know,
boom.
This
Right
is,
there.
This is the man.
No, this
We're
is the
gonna
man.
be doing some
This is the
big
man.
things, hopefully.
Big things, big
Hopefully.
things.
Alright.
That's it for today.
Okay guys, so as I have talked about in the past, in the quiz section, there is now a hair care quiz. So make sure that you stay up to date on all of your quizzes as far as that goes. So seeing Joe talk about this product, or with the owner of the product. So as we know, he's on the TV show, he has a hair care line, and it makes me wonder if we will be seeing this in the future for Boxycharm, because there's that hair quiz. So it's definitely got me super curious. Have you guys tried this brand out before? You guys know I am all about self-care, trying out new products, not just makeup, guys. I love skincare, I love hair care, I love body care, whatever. I'm down to try it all. So let me know if you guys have tried it before. It looks like there's shampoo, there's conditioner, there's leave-in treatments, you know, there's travel size, full size, whatever it may be. So let me know if you guys have tried this down below. Are you guys excited about seeing more hair care products in here? And like I said, make sure you got your quizzes up to date as far as that goes. So like I said, important date is going to be November 9th as far as the Boxy pop-up goes, and for choices go as well. So make sure you're subscribed, and also just go into your account and check at 12 p.m. Eastern time on November 9th. Anyways, I love that they're changing it up and they're doing everything in one day. I think it's making it a lot easier for a lot of people. They really like the feedback that a lot of us were saying, that we did enjoy that. So anyways guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure you subscribe. I'm uploading all the time over here, 5 to 7 days a week. And then of course, check out my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs. I upload over there Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. Eastern time. And don't forget, one last little reminder, your girl's trying to get the swipey uppy over on Instagram, so if you guys would, go follow me over there, and it's just at HotmessMomma4. So anyways friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.